Amy Coney Barrett, do solemnly swear.
Amy Coney Barrett, ceremoniously sworn in as the 115th Supreme Court Justice by her new colleague, Justice Clarence Thomas.
The oath that I have solemnly taken tonight means at its core that I will do my job without any fear or favor.
Barrett is the third justice appointed by President Trump in less than one term. He's now appointed 1/3 of the 9 justices. Only 3 Democratic appointees remain.
This is a momentous day for America, for the United States Constitution, and for the fair and impartial rule of law.
President Trump has remade the federal judiciary. He has remade the Supreme Court.
I spoke with Jessica Levinson, constitutional law professor at Loyola Law School, about Barrett taking the seat held by liberal icon Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
It's hard to overstate the importance of this confirmation for the court. When Justice Ginsburg passed away, she was probably the most liberal justice on the court. Justice Barrett might be the most conservative justice. We don't know yet.
The yeas are 52, the nays are 48.
Not a single Democrat voted for Barrett, and one Republican, Maine's Susan Collins, joined the Democrats in opposition. Barrett is the first justice in 150 years who failed to get any bipartisan support.
This nomination is part of a decades-long effort to tilt the judiciary to the far right.
Ginsburg died just over 1 month ago. Barrett's appointment comes just days before a presidential election where more than 60 million Americans have already voted. In 2016, Republican Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell refused to give President Obama's Supreme Court pick, Merrick Garland, a hearing 8 months before the election, saying voters should decide. McConnell today celebrating.
The reason this outcome came about is because we had a series of successful elections.
Some Democrats want to add more justices to the court if they win the Senate. Long Beach Mayor Robert Garcia tweeting, quote, "Abolish the filibuster and expand the Supreme Court." Joe Biden recently told CBS he wants a bipartisan panel to study the issue over 180 days.
It's not about court packing. There's a number of other things that our constitutional scholars have debated, and I'd look to see what recommendations that commission might make.
In the meantime, Barrett will begin hearing arguments next week on some of the country's most controversial topics.
If you care about the environment, criminal justice, First Amendment rights, voting rights, religious freedom, LGBTQ rights, these are all issues that are going to come before the Supreme Court, and of course, reproductive rights.
Barrett will be on the bench in time to hear future potential election-related cases involving President Trump and former Vice President Joe Biden.